What if I told you that ChatGPT could help you learn in half the time? Not by replacing your effort, but by becoming your personal tutor, available anytime. Hello, I'm Joel Andreas and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll explore how ChatGPT can help students and learners study smarter. Let's begin. One of the most powerful uses of ChatGPT is learning. Think of ChatGPT as a personal tutor, a tutor who is available 24 hours a day. You can ask questions anytime. You can ask again if you don't understand, and you can learn at your own speed. That is powerful. Let's say you are a student struggling with a difficult topic. For example, photosynthesis. Instead of reading the same paragraph again and again, you can ask ChatGPT, explain photosynthesis in simple words. Or even better, explain photosynthesis like I am a 10-year-old. Now the explanation becomes much easier to understand. This is one of the best ways to learn. Make difficult topics simpler. Now let's say you have long notes to study. You can ask ChatGPT, summarize this chapter in 5 key points. Now, instead of reading 20 pages again, you get the most important ideas quickly. This saves a lot of time. ChatGPT can also help you revise better. For example, you can ask, create 10 quiz questions from this chapter. Now you can test yourself. This improves memory and understanding. In fact, this is one of the best ways to learn, not just reading, but testing yourself. Let me share a personal example. While learning more about I used ChatGPT to create a multiple choice quiz for me. I asked it something like, create a 10-question MCQ quiz on artificial intelligence for beginners. In seconds, ChatGPT generated a quiz with questions, multiple options, and answers. I attempted the quiz myself, and it helped me validate how much I had actually understood. Sometimes we think we understand a topic, but when we answer questions, we quickly discover what we really know and what we still need to improve. That is the power of active learning. Instead of just reading or watching content, you test your understanding. And the best part? All of this happened in just a few minutes. That's the real value of AI. It helps you learn faster and validate your learning quickly. Now let's talk about learning English. Many people want to improve spoken English. ChatGPT can help with that too. You can ask, help me improve spoken English with daily practice. Correct my grammar. Help me prepare for an interview in English. This can be very useful for students and working professionals. ChatGPT can also help you learn new skills. For example, teach me Excel from beginner level. Help me learn coding. Create a 30-day plan to learn digital marketing. The possibilities are endless. But here is something important. Use ChatGPT to learn, not to avoid learning. Let me explain. Some students use AI to copy homework answers. That is the wrong way. That may help in the short term, but it hurts learning in the long term. Use ChatGPT as a teacher, not as a shortcut. Ask it to explain. Ask it to simplify. Ask it to guide you. That is where real learning happens. Here is the most important thing I want you to remember. ChatGPT is not just an answer machine. It can be a powerful learning partner. It can help you understand faster, practice better, and learn smarter. I'll see you in the next lesson.